And so, ladies and gentlemen, today on this beautiful day in December, beautiful weather in December, this fucking year is crazy. So today, well no, I'm not actually doing it today, but in this whole video, which you'll see, I'm doing the valve cover gasket on my Mk4 Jetta GLI 24 valve. Did I say that right? So what I did was, today I basically loosened everything up from the side, took all the brackets off, took my intake off, took all the vacuum hoses off the back. Just basically clearing it up so that when I get to the bolts in the front, I can, just easily take it off. Yeah, so changing the valve cover gasket today. There's a lot of other things I gotta change. I'm waiting on my new reservoir to come. The damn fuel lines I got were too short. I believe it's for the 12 valve. It stops right there. Freaking annoying. What else? I want to change the N80 valve. That's easy access though, so I'm not really worried about that. This damn tension there, waiting on that along with the reservoir. Yeah, work in progress. Yeah, so these are the bolts for the intake plenum, intake manifold, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, there are a total of 9 of them. Didn't even realize I had taken out 9. I honestly thought I only took out 8. But I recounted them and there are 9. The 2 end ones are the easiest because you can see them. The other ones is more like a feeling motion along each column for the intake plenum. But yeah, I believe I got them all out. I gotta take this last hose off right here, and then I should be good to go. So yeah, I just wiggled and wiggled until eventually she came off. Yes. And I do not have my new gasket yet, so I'm gonna run and go buy that. Yes, I'm unprepared. Glad that's finally off. I don't know what I have here in my hand, but it's dirty, so I'm going to clean it. Had 2 connectors going onto it. There's a one-way valve on it. It probably has something to do with the vacuum line. Something. I'm just going to clean it up because I have it, or have access to it. Alright. So, pulled all the bolts for the valve cover. Just gotta lift it off, making sure I got everything clear before I do that. Yeah, I was bugging out. Trying to take the bolts out, but I realized none of them actually come out. Smart design. Cool. So, let's take this shit off. Okay. Came off pretty easy. Wow, pretty black and wow, that's not good. Not good at all. Let's clean that up. So, which one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, a lot of oil on spark plug number 4. Yeah, it's damaged. So it doesn't even feel like rubber anymore. Yeah, so let's clean this up. Just have to take a little video. No hiccups or anything. Though my scan tool does keep saying I have a misfire on cylinder 6. Not even shaking like it's misfiring. I might reset that and just see if it comes back. Other than that, she sounds good.